this is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedanta. Welcome to this session, everyone. So, firstly, Happy New Year. So, of course, I have wished you on first and second, but still, once again, Happy New Year. So, we all want to start new and start fresh, right? How? So, let's just look back um, at 2020, even though most of us don't want to. So, but before that, before starting new and starting fresh, so the old pro subscription ka thing. So plan, if you want to take the pro subscription, you can visit the link given in the description and in the pinned comment. Why, if that's the question? So what is available on YouTube and on the platform, it's same. Okay, but there are few extra things which is available on the pro subscription plan, obviously. Like, there are unlimited live classes with fun and high level quizzes. So even if you couldn't attend the session as well, so there you will get the recordings of all the lectures, all the sessions. Even if you're watching the replay, of course it can be thoda sa boring, because it will be one sided, but here that's not the case. You can actually play the quiz, you can be on the leaderboard, you can compete with the students throughout the world. And we have different types of courses like micro courses, crash courses, which are absolutely free of cost. You can even download the notes, the handwritten notes of the master teachers. You don't get it everywhere. Huh? So in class doubt solving, and there will be a test conducted regularly. You will get the performance report. Of course, you will get the personalized attention as well. So we'll have master teachers and class teachers in a single session. You will have more than 2 teachers, right? So who will help you to clear all your doubts, so that the flow of the session is, it's very much satisfactory for both of us. So the only way you can get it, you can visit the link or go to vdnt.in/ytpro and use the coupon code SURPRO for additional 20% discount. So yes, less is more, that is more number of classes, you need to pay the lesser price. So 3 months is a very good plan, because we still have 4 months, people. The dates has been announced, but for ICSE, so we still don't know, but very soon, right? Okay, this is it. So 2020 is gone. I don't know how. So because I remember sitting at home on March, and it's already Jan 2021. So another year gone. Of course, we have welcomed 2021 by sending posts, by wishing everyone, by cutting cakes, by having nice dinner. So we have entered this new year 2021. But if you just look back, we have learned so many things, right? So of course, for many people, 2020 was filled with uncertainty and fear. And we have lost lives, we have lost jobs, our precious time. We could have made some more memories, but we couldn't. But still, I guess, it even taught us how to appreciate small things, so how to value what we have. And yeah, for me it was full of gratitude. And we have, of course, done lots of mistakes, right? 1 year is gone, so in the past year, so we have, of course, we have done many mistakes, but even we have learned from it. So that's a very nice thing. So now it's time to move forward. So we have already entered the new year 2021. So it's basically a new decade, and there will be lots of big changes in your lives and in my life too. Like, from high school to that, for few it's like college, right? That is 10th to 11th grade is a big thing, or 9 students to 10, the board exam and all that. So of course will be stepping into a new phase of our lives. But let's not forget the lessons which you have learned in the last year, in the previous year. Let's carry it. But I don't want you to sit and think about, Arey, I could have done this. Arey, why didn't I do this? I should have done this. Don't. Okay? It's like whatever has happened has happened. Let's just leave it there. So let's move forward with lots of energy, lots of hopes, and few goals, and lots of dreams, because let's hope that this year is going to be super awesome. So every day is a new day, actually. right? Because you can't be sure, like, what is gonna happen. So the moment I wake up, I can only feel like, acha, this day I am gonna learn something new, right? So these are the few goals which you can set in this year and try to stick to it. To learn doing my homework or work on my own. Don't rely on others a lot, Ma khana de do, bhaiya pani de do. No, try to do it on your own and create a better morning routine. So, waking up at 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. and then, getting be like, you will be late for the sessions and then, not taking bath, just sitting. Ew, don't do it. So explore a new hobby or skill. Of course, in this lockdown, we have, I guess, have learned a lot of things, right? I started baking. I have never done it, and I never imagined that I'll be doing it because I am someone who doesn't like cooking or baking. Okay, I'm being very honest. So then you might be wondering, what does she do there? Like, because I live alone. So I'm managing somehow. I'm learning, but I am not a fan of cooking or baking at all, to be very honest. So, but still, I have learned a new skill, so baking, and I realized that I really make very good donuts. Yes, chocolate donuts by Surabhi ma'am is one of the best thing. But still, yeah. About you, so try to explore a new hobby or a new skill, and please continue it. Don't just start. Yes, ma'am. Today I'll start something new for 2 days, and after 2 days, like, chhod do yaar. No. Okay. Learn to stick to your habits. Helping my parents in household work, it is very important. Even though it is very, it might seem as a very small thing, but it is not. It will make them really happy. So I don't want you to leave everything and just go sit in the kitchen or do everything. Those small things will make them really happy, and it will help them, right? Even because, if your parents are working, so imagine, they have to work from home and they have to manage every other things. Maybe if you can give them hand in those household work, that will be really helpful and they will be super proud of you. Change the mindset that is holding you back. So I see students telling me, Mom, I can't do it. No matter how much I try, I can't do it. Those negative thoughts, that mindset, change it. Like, just learn to move forward. Do not let anyone or anything hold you back. So break a bad habit. If you have any bad habits, like, procrastinating, or maybe this unusual sleeping hours, whom I'm seeing this to, right? Yeah. So sleeping at 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. and waking up at 10 a.m. Not good. Not at all good. So break those bad habits. Try to inculcate some very good habits to reduce the time on social media. So it is very important, because we all have been. So basically, I have to sit in front of the laptop or my phone, right? The whole day. That's how I get my work done. But still, as it's just the one click away, the social media. So we tend to spend a lot of time. So especially, you will have the phone all day, because parents assume that you are actually watching the session or attending a lecture, but on the other hand, you would be playing Among Us or Free Fire or PUBG, or will be on Instagram. So try to reduce the time on social media. Maybe reading or sketching or singing, dancing. Those habits are very much better than just wasting time on social media. Of course, it's like a magnet. Okay, so that is how they are programming it. So I actually read it somewhere. No, my friend said it to me that they are, so if you they actually know, right, what you like, so they have that access. Because if I have googled, okay, watches, so the next day on Instagram or on YouTube ads, everything will be related to the watches. That's how it works. So they are trying to know what you actually love, so they are trying to give you the same thing, so that you can't just go away, or they are not ready to you know break it apart. So they don't want you to go away from these laptops or phones. That's how they are programming. So let's just not fall for that. So please try to reduce the time which you are spending on social media or maybe playing games. So working on weaknesses. So first thing is you should know what are your strengths and weaknesses. Of course, nobody is perfect, right? We all have some strengths, we all have some weaknesses. Even though sometimes being very kind is also a weakness, being very honest is also a weakness. So try to know yourself better. So what is your weakness, and start working on it. Maybe you can actually convert it into your strength. So performing better in the exam, that doesn't mean okay, you have to score 100 on 100, nothing like that. Maybe not repeating your mistakes, maybe skipping the questions or not reading the question properly, or writing some irrelevant answers and all that we do, right? Or not checking the answers once you are done. So do not repeat those same mistakes. Try to perform better in the exam. So I'm sure you will get better marks then. So to develop healthy eating habits, so you must have watched the New Year video. So I have some resolutions where I have decided, to develop a healthy eating habit actually. So I would want every one of us to do the same thing. I'm not saying, do not even look at the junk food and all that. Let's just reduce, maybe step by step, we will get nearer to the healthier lifestyle. So do reduce the intake of junk food and all that. But now, like, you are 16 and all that, it is kind of fine. But as you grow older, then you will realize not at all a good thing. So do not procrastinate in the work. Yes, please do not do it. So the video will be out. Maybe it has been already premiered. So I will be telling you how to stop procrastinating, how to not procrastinate. So that will be helpful, I feel. But if you are someone who procrastinates a lot, so it's high time we try not to do it. So these are the few things. This is basically a general thing, okay? Actually, you can actually prepare your own to-do list or goals or what are the resolutions for 2021. So these are the common things we have picked and thought, okay, so these are the few things which everyone can relate to, and we have made a video on it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying till the end. And if you liked it, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, give us the thumbs up, and share this with your friends as well, so who are very much excited to start 2021. And fingers crossed, I really hope this year will go well for each and every one of us, your friends, family, everyone. Let's try to be kinder, empathetic, and a better human being. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.